Boss namin.
People lahat ba sila? Word cloud. Sino sa kanila sa BSM? Pero actually, si Adam ang head namin lahat. Senior, ano natin siya. Senior director na product development. Okay. Dapat kasi meron tayong ano na namin kasi rin sa natin schedule. Also, some circumstances. We sincerely apologize guys for the inconvenience. So rest assured that this won't happen again. Moving forward, alright. Pakinggan na natin si Sophia. By the way, si Sophia pupunta na dito na uuwi dito.
Good afternoon. After this month, there is a meeting for a big event. After COVID, our event is completely changed. We discussed a lot with other team members, project or non-project related items that will help to reduce the progress on our daily. But now, we split ourselves into 4 months, and further we split to talk to only the project lead, only on the project related topics. But that's not the case today. We have the entire team on the ground, and we don't have to 4 months. It is an opportunity to collaborate and improve your network with other team members. Use the opportunity to join all the events and games with a winning spirit. But winning games is not our goal. Winning others' heart is our goal. Creating memories is our goal. Improving your problem solving skills, improving your leadership skills, improving your communication. These are our goals. I'm sure definitely you will make most of it today. And when you come out, you will come out as a different person altogether and completely refreshed. Please utilize the opportunity and don't miss out to utilize your photography skills to entertain us virtually. Salamat.
Salamat po. May sama si Kaisa. Sino yung kasama kayo Kaisa?
Okay, guys, kaya mabuti. Yung first trivia natin, ang unang magtataas ng kamay, whether regardless kung nasagot ko rin yung tama, hindi mo rin una nagtaas ng kamay, yun yung una natin tatanungin. Pag tama, bigyan natin yung prize. Makakakita ng kamay ni Melody. Okay, first question, trivia for tonight. When did Dayforce has been officially announced as a brand in the Philippines? When did the Dayforce has been officially announced in Manila, Philippines? Is na yan?
Ano sagot?
Alam mo sa sa
Oh, yung video prepare natin sa 2025. Dito po kayo sa gitna, yung ginagawa ko natin. Here, guys. 1, 2, 3, down siya po. 1, 2, 3, smile. Dapat po. Yan. Okay, second trivia. Ilis na kaya agad. Meron din po. Ibang kamay naman. Kamay ni Miss Dayan.
Kamay ko naman, kamay ko. Kamay mo lang. Paa mo, paa.
Okay, listen guys. Second trivia question. What is the full name of Development SVP Engineering? What is the full name of our Development SVP Engineering? Hindi kayo NR.
Rajesh, Rish, Afuta.
Kailangan yung nickname eh. Okay, hindi na kaya? Jason!
Renyes Krishna. Krishna. Yun lang. Krishna.
Okay, check mic guys. Tingin natin naman.
May talent na sumabit.
Meron tayong break song. Yes, the song chart. Pwede pa. Medyo malakas. Okay na. Hindi kasi ako sa malakas. Ito yung sa... Ready ka guys? Let's give it up to our charm. Sino na yan? Siguro guys, susunod for ano natin, video natin ngayon, represent natin. Pero sa susunod, send natin sa email sa association. So we can actually reply to them for in our appreciation. Right? Our next speaker, let's give